pull this part off first. This pulls out. You undo these guys by pushing the tab in on the back underneath here. This wire has to be pulled down. Put a pair of pliers on it. It's right here. It's right here. Just grab on it, pull it out. That gives you space over here. And then they get this to go on there. Instead of putting that new part on, just get this to go back on here. Like that. This plugs in here like this. This is that up or down? I forget which way it was. I think this was this way. It was this way. This goes in here like this. We could test it. Make sure it doesn't make that noise anymore. I shall have my key. Let's see. No more noise. Let's see if this works. Works. No more noise. Then you just put this back on and it's fixed.